Hi guys, hope you're all okay. As I said, I'm going to do a vlog this weekend. It is 5 to 7 in the morning on Friday. I'm just going to go in the office for a couple of hours and then I'm free for the weekend. Hi guys, I'm now at the train station. I'm going to go and see my mommy. Just been to the doctors. They butchered me. See, train station. Had to do blood tests on both arms. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I had to do both arms because I wouldn't give them enough blood out of one. But look what I have bought. I don't know if I can open them. Can you see? There's coffee, there's carrot cake and vanilla and chocolate. I'm going to take them up to see my mommy, and then for my in-train entertainment I have an OK magazine, a packet of crisps, and pick a mix. Cola cubes.
Saturday the 14th of July.
I'm at my mummy's. Charlie! Hello! What you doing? What you doing, Charlie Charles? Oh, you're going in. So yeah, I'm at my mum's. They don't really want to be on the internet, so... He's so tired. It's Darwin's birthday today, isn't it? Yes. Yes, I've got the same jumper on as yesterday because I've not had my shower yet. Oh, is it your birthday? And he had a new collar. Did you have a new collar? Are you tired? And he had new toys, new ball. Do you like that one? One. Yeah. And he had his egg. Do you like the egg? Yeah. So he had some new toys. Oh, do we like that one? And his new collar, which is uber cute. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. He's also had a new coat, but that's in the car, and he's got a new bed to come in the front room, so it's like his day bed, and I'll show you a picture of him in that later. But as I say, again, that's still in the car. And he had a new collar. Let's see, he's got a new collar that says Darwin George. He's a proper little man now, because he's 3. So happy birthday, Darwin. I have just finished recording for the 3rd time my subscriber giveaway. I'm so thankful for all you crazy people that actually watch me rabble and ramble and not make sense. So yes, I've just recorded my giveaway again. This is like the 3rd time. It just wouldn't upload, which was super frustrating, and I promised that I'd put it up today, so I know I have to keep on trying until it does it. If you've not seen it, it would have gone up on Saturday, so check it out. Yesterday, when I was at my mum's house, my niece, who's a teenager, was there, and she was wearing one of these awesome bracelets that says "Hugs, not drugs," and I really want one, but I don't know if I'm slightly too old for it, as she's a teenager and I'm 30. But I'm buying one anyway, so I'm going to buy one of these, and then I'm going to sit on the sofa with the birthday boy and catch up on some Big Brother, because obviously somebody got evicted last night and I haven't watched it, and I've stayed away from all the websites that would tell me who got evicted, so I can watch it on the old Sky Plus. Okay, so we're now going out to a family party at John's parents' house. Wearing a blue dress with the awesome Peter Pan collar, curly hair. John's looking dashing in a YSL shirt. It is Sunday. I have a hangover. Went to a party at John's parents' house last night, and it was all started rather civilised. A couple of glasses of champagne, lots of lovely food, and then the bottles of vodka came out. And John is part Polish. He's born in this country, but he's part Polish, and yeah. And most of the people that were at the party were Polish, and you should never ever try to keep up with a Polish man trying to drink vodka, because they will whoop your butt. So yeah, my neighbour is doing work in their garden. Shush. So yes, a little bit hungover, and I still have my cold, so I don't know if I'm quite going to make it to Blink-182 tonight. I think I'm going to make some cake or something. And John, I think, wants to watch Wimbledon and we'll possibly play Xbox, because that's like his Sunday routine these days. And just chill. Just made toasties that have cheese and bacon in. Yummy! John is making hangover cures.
Well, I'm not hungover.
Who is hungover?
You?
He's not lying. It's definitely me, because John drove last night. He's making strawberry milkshakes, but we're not using any fruit. We're just using ice cream. That's Wimbledon. We're using ice cream, and is it full fat milk?
Yeah.
Woohoo! So they've got strawberry and vanilla ice cream in. Darwin would like one, but he can't have it.
He's not putting milk after.
Aww. So I'm multitasking. I'm on the Cath Kidston website, because they've got a sale on. I think that's very cute. And I'm cooking our tea. So it's like chicken and cheese and potatoes and very yummy things that probably aren't that good for you.